The 2011 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, power windows, security system, fog lights, CD player, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster, Sirius satellite radio, power moonroof. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.